Right, in this video we're going to look at the multiplication and division of fractions. So work out -4 times -7, 6 times -3, -15 divided by 3, -5 divided by -20, and then 2 times -3 times -4. So consider the following pattern. 4 times 3 is 12, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 0 is 0. So these are going down in 4 each time. These are going down in 1 each time. So 4 times -1, what will it be? Well, these are going down in 4, then this would have to be -4. And therefore 4 times -2 will have to be -8. 4 times -3 will be -12. Similarly, if we're doing division, -4 times -4, if we're doing negative numbers, -4 times 3 is -12, -4 times 2 is -8, -4 times 1 is -4, -4 times 0 is 0, -4 times -1 is going to be equal to 4. Continuing the pattern, so these are going down and these are actually still going up. -4 times -2 is 8, -4 times -3 is equal to 12. So if we have two positive, we end up with a positive and a negative, we end up with a negative and a positive, we end up with a negative, and when we have a positive times a positive, we end up with a positive. So these are the rules for, and these apply also to division, because division is the opposite of multiplication. So a positive times a positive will be a positive, and for division, a positive divided by a positive is a positive. A positive times a negative is a negative, and for division it's the same. Positive divided by a negative is a negative, and negative times a positive is a negative, and a negative divided by a positive is negative. Negative times a negative is positive, and the negative divided by a negative is positive. So you need to just remember these rules. Then all you need to do is multiply the two numbers together. So -4 times -7, well, 4 sevens are 28. They are both negative, so the answer will be 28. 6 times -3, so we've got a positive times a negative, so the answer will be -18. -15 divided by 3, so we've got a negative divided by a positive, so the answer will be -5. And then a -5 divided by -20, two negatives, so the answer will be 5/20, which cancels down to be 1/4. Right, the next one we've got 3. So we've got -2 times -3 times -4. Let's just do the -2 times -3 first. That gives me +6 because two negatives. And then we've still got to multiply by -4. And now we have a positive times a negative. So the answer will be negative. 6 fours are 24. So the answer will be -24. So I hope you see how this works. So this has been a video to show you how to do the multiplication and division of negative numbers. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.